Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. It has been a minute. I made the decision around Christmas time to slow down and maybe put out one video a week. The next video I wanted to do is my birthday haul. It has been a month since my birthday, and finally something that I bought for myself arrived. So I thought I'd show that and a couple other goodies. I've been getting a couple things lately, so I just wanted to share it with everybody. As far as my birthday haul goes, I got a lot of nice items. I got some beautiful flowers, which again, I thought maybe I'd be able to show, but now that it's been a month, they're not here. My son got me a bouquet that had tulips in it. I love tulips, and it had 56 tulips in it. Because I turned 56. And then I got a number of nice presents. I went with my husband to a store, and he let me pick out a bunch of different things, and they were more day-to-day things. One of my most unique gifts, though, I was going to show. I got from a really good friend of mine. He's kind of eclectic. Him and his wife are just the sweetest people ever, and they were so thoughtful. I wanted to share their gift. They got me a book about the Titanic. I adore the Titanic. It was actually a book I don't have, because I do have a lot of the books about them. So that one I won't show at this point, but also what I did get from them was a 1967 TWA calendar, which I thought was really cool. It is unmarked, and it was the year I was born. I thought that was so sweet. They also got me a postcard from a hotel in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Gatlinburg is my favorite place on earth, and they know that. And so they got me a postcard from there. They got me a little Kodachrome. Somebody in 1967 took pictures of the Smoky Mountains, and so they have a 1967 print of the Smoky Mountains in here. And then they also got me a postcard with a 1967 Econoline van on it. I just thought that was like the most thoughtful and unique things ever. So I just wanted to show them. I thought they were just really fun. And then the item I got for me, I haven't even opened it yet. It's in here. I only undid the little zippy thing here just to kind of show it, because most of the other things will be more like reveals. But what I got here, trying to do this uniquely without showing my address. Not sure how good that's doing, but it is from Louis Vuitton. I pre-ordered this, and it took a long time to come. They must have just kind of thrown it together, because it does have a box, but the ribbon is just here. And I got, sorry, I'll just set that aside here, this little box here. I just thought this was the coolest thing ever, so I got it. It's my first one of these, but I couldn't deny it. This was my birthday gift to myself. And I got the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. And it's like in a teal or Tiffany blue. So here's the outside. It's got the monogram print. There's one slip holder in the back. And then the interior has a spot for a card here, card here, card here, card here, card here, and 3 more slots here. Let's see, I have the product code here. It's Louis Vuitton, made in Paris. If you're interested at all, this is the code card for it. So this is what I got myself for my birthday. I don't typically get myself little birthday gifts, but I splurged a little bit, and I got this. I love it. I think it's fantastic. I'm so excited to finally have it. Just looking at it here, glazing and everything looks nice. So it is my first pocket organizer. So I am just thrilled, pleased as punch. I know they've been taking a while to get some of these items in, so I just got this in. Let's see, then we'll go to a couple other reveals here of things I've been buying lately. I have been just loving the Real. I have been finding just steals on there. I know that a few other YouTubers have been talking about it, and man, I am just can't believe the good deals I got. One thing I got here was this key clay from Louis Vuitton. It's in like a khaki color. It's got leather trim around the edges. It's beautiful condition, beautiful zipper. Got the little key there, and then it looks like it's got, let's see, it's made in Paris. I believe that's a coated canvas and not a leather inside, but key clays are my absolute favorite Louis Vuitton item, so I got that. I have another 2 items coming. I think they're coming tomorrow, but I wanted to do this video because I've been waiting so long. Another item I picked up was, oh, I don't even have it here. From the Real, I got the little photo holder. It's just a little card holder, and you can flip it, the little plastic out, and the pictures show. It's really neat. Actually, I'll show it in my next video where I show what I got from the items that are supposed to arrive tomorrow. This was the ultimate key clay I wanted from Louis Vuitton. Ever since the first time I saw it, it was the one that I wanted. I didn't even care what kind of condition it was in as long as the price was halfway decent, and I got a fantastic price on this one. So it's got the little bellhop guy, little bit of chipping maybe in here, very little. Otherwise, it is beautiful. He looks fantastic. The back looks fantastic. Beautiful zipper. And then this has the awesome gold interior that matches the gold stripe on there. So I got this, and I just absolutely love it. That's 2 new key clays for me. And then the last thing I got, this came out, and this is one of the first times that I can think of ever that I was really, I thought I opened up everything I needed to, influenced by Instagram. Normally, there's stuff that comes up on there all the time. I don't care. Doesn't matter to me. But this time, this was something I had to have. All right, let's see. I had it upside down. So I'm going to open it up here. Show you how it comes like that. The top here says Tiffany and Company. And I didn't know I wanted, well, what happened was there was a different item that showed up. I absolutely loved it. It kept showing up on my feed. It was a green wallet, and I thought it was so neat. Interior was kind of a khaki color, or gray. And I thought, maybe I'm going to get that. So finally, after seeing it on my Instagram feed for, I don't know, 600 times, I went to go look at it, and I found something else I liked better. And I put add to cart and bought it immediately. So I just bought this the very end of last week or over the weekend, and it's here today. And it is in the beautiful Tiffany blue box. Who doesn't get excited to see one of these? I don't know about you, but I do. Paperwork's down in there. It comes like this. All right, let's see, I'm not going to be able to take that off there, so take that, and that kind of make my sheet, or my cover thing. All right, open that up. Beautiful white bow, beautiful blue box. And I have one piece of their leather already, and it's fantastic. It's just a card holder, and I know they've been really starting to come out with a lot of leather products. I think that's an area they really want to get into, because they put out a number of bags this past year, another number of missing SLGs, and I like them because I really like the Tiffany blue color, but I never really wanted to pull the trigger on anything. Nothing really got me until this. And the green wallet I was looking at was all this color green, and it was just a tri-fold wallet with a, like I said, kind of a grayish khaki interior. But I saw this, and again, I'm a fan of key clays, and I thought this was the coolest thing ever. Up close here's the T, and it's got like lines running through it. There's a card slot here. Look at the back. I call this my Wizard of Oz wallet because to me that just reminds me of like Pat going to the Emerald City, even though I know it's gold. This this is my Wizard of Oz little card holder. This has a nice, really hefty zipper, and it zips around all the way through the side, and then you open it up, take out the tissue, and there's that kind of khaki brown color that the interior of the wallet was inside. So it's like basically a key clay. It does fit cards. It fits cards inside, and then it fits a couple cards here. This would definitely fit more than one. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots here. The siding all along here is just glazed. And yeah, this is, I saw this and I had to have it. I fell in love with this. So I got that. And then the last thing I got to show you today is just a small Coach item. I saw this and I don't know what it is. I've never liked big clunky chains or anything. I never really liked them. And there is a handbag person on Instagram that constantly dresses up her bags with all different kinds of chains and such. And I saw this one and I'm like, oh, I need this. And this is from Coach, from the regular store. And I got the multicolored chain. My camera person's making fun of me right now. But it is just like this rainbow of colors, and it'll go with so many of my bags. I mean, some of my Marc Jacobs totes. It'll go with some of my bags from Coach, from other houses. It's got the kind of like gunmetal hardware on it. And just these like clips to clip on these with. And yeah, I just thought this was so pretty. I got it. So I'm going to dress up my bag with enough number of things. The girl on Instagram, I'm sure probably everybody follows her, but I'm going to put her Instagram link down in the description box below, because what she does with her bags, and she runs the gamut from contemporary to luxury. It's just beautiful. She just plays around with them and dresses them up so pretty that yeah, she influenced me too. Man, that's like 2 influencers or 2 things that influenced me on Instagram. So yeah, that's my big old birthday haul and haul to date. I'll put out another video shortly, maybe this weekend or save it for next week. I'll show the other little Louis Vuitton picture book I got and the 2 items I got from the Real Coming. I've been, yeah, just really, really happy. The picture things from Rebag, I had never purchased anything from there before either, so that was fun. And so, yeah, probably weigh in on a couple of conversations that have been going on, such as, is luxury dead? And what was the other one that I wanted to comment on? The luxury dead? Well, I don't know. I'll comment on some things by the time that this comes to be. I just didn't have them prepared for today because I just wanted to show you my items. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. I would really appreciate it. And you can find me on Instagram. I am at Jame_S_Jam. And I would love it. Join, leave comments down below. I absolutely love that. I love interacting with everybody in the comments. And it really is a nice community. You really get to feel like you've formed some friendships, and there's other people that get me. They get it. They understand. And that's really important and awesome. So until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.